Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A55, and today I will show you how you can put this device into download mode. So before we get started, you will need to grab a cable and then plug it into your computer. It does need to be to your computer, and connect it to your phone. Once that's ready, disregard any kind of pop-ups. I'm gonna pull down now our notifications. I'm going to select the power button and choose power off. Once the Samsung logo disappears, hold volume up and volume down at the same time and wait for the device to boot back up. As you can see, once it lights up screen, it automatically almost goes to the download mode. Before, we do need to confirm it by selecting volume up, which you can see right over here. So press volume up, and that's the download mode. So this is how you boot this phone into download mode. Once you're done with it, or just want to leave this mode, you can hold power button and volume down at the same time for more than 7 seconds to initiate a reboot of the device. So I'm gonna do that right after I unplug it. So power button or volume down. Once the screen turns off, you can let go of the buttons and phone should boot up on its own. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.